Hello everybody! This is Kitty and the Beast channel and my name is Nika. Today I'm going to show you how I made this D&D open treasure chest with golden coins in it. The base is a piece of brown polymer clay which I roll in a ball and form a brick, and then I place it on the piece of a baking paper. Last time we've made a closed treasure chest, but this time we need to show how it looks inside, so I make it hollow by sculpting the cavity in the brick. First, it looks like a sketch, but later I'm adjusting the walls and the corners with my tools and fingers so that they would look straight enough. It's an old chest, so I'm not hunting for perfection, but it is still has to look like it used to be the brand new and shiny chest. When I'm done with the cavity, I start to make golden coins using yellow polymer clay. I chose a longer method, but the coins will look nicer this way. So I make each coin separately and place it inside of my chest to cover the bottom and even make a little hump. Every treasure hunter would appreciate that. Yes, I know, it's a long process, so feel free to get to the next part if you got this one already. When I think there's enough coins, spoiler alert, normally there's never enough. I want to add some shine to them by using a pinch of golden dry pastel. It's better to use a hard brush for that, to press the pastel to the polymer clay. After that, I start to make a cover. I used the same method as before to make a cavity and sculpt some wood texture on the outer side. Then I attach it to the chest as firmly as it's possible and continue with the wood texture on the rest of the chest. I hope you can see that I'm also making boards over wood texture with some deeper lines. I also wanted to make some clamps on the corners, so I used some yellow polymer clay, placing it on the corners and pressing it with a ball tip tool to make tiny dents on it. And here I'm making a couple of bends on the cover by rolling thin sticks of yellow polymer clay and placing them flat on both sides of the outer cover surface. And to show how they're staying on their places, I make more dents along them. After the chest was baked, I decided that the coins are not shiny enough, so I've taken a gold acrylic paint and just painted them. Be careful not to paint the chest itself. Use the finest brush you have for this type of work. Well, now that's the result I was expecting. Yay! I hope you liked the chest too and enjoyed the video. If so, please like and share it with others. And if you want to get my new videos like this, please subscribe. Financial support on my Patreon account is also very appreciated. It would help me to find more time for making tutorial videos for you. Thanks for watching and see you soon!